Investing in the stock market or cryptocurrency can often feel like stepping into a high-stakes casino where fortunes can change overnight. The allure of early investments often captures our imagination, especially when we look back at the gains of iconic assets. While Bitcoin tends to hog the spotlight, today we're diving into some other fascinating options: Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Netflix, to illustrate what a $1,000 investment at their launch could be worth today. Netflix, streaming to success. Netflix started as a DVD rental service in 1997, and its transition to streaming in the mid-2000s marked a significant turning point in its history. If you had invested $1,000 in Netflix at its IPO in 2002, when shares were offered at $15, you would have purchased around 66 shares. As of now, with Netflix stock hovering at around $450, your original investment would have ballooned to $29,700, a remarkable 2,970% gain. This illustrates how pioneering a new model in entertainment can lead to staggering returns. Ethereum, beyond Bitcoin. Launched in 2015, Ethereum introduced a decentralized platform, one that enables developers to create smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum's value proposition lies in its technology rather than just being a digital currency. If you had invested $1,000 in Ethereum at its launch, acquiring Ether at around 30 cents per coin, you would have obtained about 3,333 Ether. With Ether currently priced at around $1,700 as of October 2024, that initial investment would now be worth approximately $5,666,100, a jaw-dropping return of 566,000%. This extraordinary figure illustrates the potential of blockchain technology beyond simple transactions. Dogecoin, meme to money. Originally launched as a joke in 2013, Dogecoin has become a cultural phenomenon. If you had invested $1,000 in Dogecoin at its inception, buying in when it was worth less than a cent, let's say around $0.0006, you would have accumulated about 1,666,667 Dogecoins. At its peak, in May 2021, Dogecoin reached about 70 cents. If we conservatively value it at around $0.06 today, your investment would now be worth approximately $100,000, reflecting a return of 10,000%. Dogecoin's rise reinforces the power of community and social media in the investment landscape. Amazon, e-commerce game changer. Amazon's IPO in 1997 was met with skepticism, as many wondered if e-commerce would ever catch on. If you had taken the plunge with $1,000 at an IPO price of $18, you would own about 55 shares. Today, Amazon stock trades at around $140, bringing your investment up to $7,700, a stunning 670% return. Amazon's growth trajectory reflects not just its dominance in e-commerce, but also its expansion into various sectors like cloud computing, entertainment, and smart technology. To sum things up, it's all about the power of early investment. Investing early in transformative companies can result in life-changing returns. Netflix, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Amazon are prime examples of how visionary innovations can create immense wealth over time. While some investments may feel riskier than others, the historical data shows us that the potential for incredible gains is often hidden behind new technologies and market trends. As we look to the future, the question remains: which pioneering technologies will lead the next wave of investments? Understanding past trends can equip investors to take calculated risks in their portfolios. As always, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and consider market volatility before diving into investments. In a landscape marked by rapid change, the key may lie in being open-minded and ready to embrace the next big idea. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you can stay updated with all our latest content. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see next.